Today's news headline is 12 more Myanmar border guard and military personnel cross into Bangladesh amid escalating conflict. Details of the news. 12 additional members of Myanmar's Border Guard Police (BGP) and military have sought refuge in Bangladesh, fleeing escalating violence and turmoil near the Shiite border. Public Relations Officer PRO Shamsul Islam of the Border Guard Bangladesh (BGB) headquarters confirmed the incident. The group, which includes both BGP and Myanmar army personnel, was escorted to safety after depositing their weapons into the custody of the BGB. Two of the personnel crossed into Bangladesh via Fakrajri Reju Amtolipara border, while the remaining 10 entered through the Jamsuri border. This latest group brings the total number of Myanmar security personnel fleeing into Bangladesh over the past 3 days to 28. All of them are currently in the custody of the number 11 BGB at Naikhansuri headquarters in Bandarban. This trend follows earlier incidents of defection. On March 30, 2024, 3 Myanmar army personnel fled to Bangladesh via Naikhansuri border. Earlier that month, on March 11, 177 BGP members and military personnel crossed into the Bangladesh, seeking refuge amid the intensifying crisis in Myanmar. The ongoing internal conflict in Myanmar has been marked by severe clashes between government forces and the Arakan Army AA. The AA, which seeks greater autonomy for the Rakhine state, has increasingly targeted Myanmar security forces and Rohingya community, leading into highlighted instability near the Bangladesh-Myanmar border. This has driven not only soldiers but also Rohingya civilians to seek safety across the border in Bangladesh. The situation has been exacerbated by Myanmar's broader internal strife following the 2021 military coup. The junta's brutal crackdown on dissent has further destabilized the country, intensifying existing ethnic and regional conflicts. The ongoing violence has further deepened the plight of the Rohingya ethnic group, who have long been subjected to systematic persecution in Myanmar. The Arakan Army, despite its claim to represent the interest of the Rakhine state, has also been accused of suppressing the Rohingya community. Reports suggest that the Rohingya face forced displacement, arbitrary arrest, and violent suppression as the AA consolidates power in contested regions. The already dire situation for Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh has been compounded by this development. More than 1 million Rohingya refugees who have fled earlier waves of violence and ethnic cleansing currently reside in overcrowded camps in Cox's Bazar and nearby areas. The new wave of defections and cross-border movement by the Arakan Army AA underscores the worsening humanitarian crisis. Bangladesh has continued to extend humanitarian assistance to those fleeing Myanmar, including its security personnel. However, the country faces increasing pressure to manage the growing influx amid its limited resources and infrastructure. The Bangladesh government has repeatedly urged the international community to intervene and hold Myanmar accountable for its actions, while also seeking durable solutions for the safety and voluntary repatriation of the Rohingya refugees. As the conflict rages on, Bangladesh remains a critical refuge for those fleeing violence, but the ongoing crisis highlights the urgent need for a coordinated international response to address the root cause of Myanmar's instability.